India Kitchen Congress Award.
Ash Lohia, Managing Director, Merino Industries.
Thank you very much. I feel highly honored.
I'll also thank Skill India.
Thanks IKC for organizing also.
I would also like to thank our industry partners.
Today, I'm dreaming with.
Thank you, Samir bhai, for your vision.
Name of the winner for IKC.
Humility, I accept this on behalf of my
Kitchen Design Collaboration
to announce the
Great indeed. Thank you, Architect Pony.
I'd like to dedicate.
Next category of awards, Kitchen Design Collaboration Award 2020. This is a new award category that recognizes collaborative effort of kitchen or furniture brand and an external designer. We have with us Mr. Gaurav Bajaj, Vice President Sales and Marketing of Heritage India, joining us. Mr. Bajaj is going to present the award, but before you present the award, Mr. Bajaj, do you see more of these collaborations being done as we go ahead in the years to come?
I feel this collaboration was happening earlier as well, but then probably the architects in India were not taking so much of interest into the kitchen business. So what was happening is the architect was doing the whole house, but when it came to the kitchen, it was like they were either taking the interest and doing it through a carpentry work, or they were absolutely subletting it to the kitchen guy. But if there's a close working between the two of them, that is the architect as well as the kitchen company, then I believe the end customer would be a major beneficiary. Because an architect is traveling with the customer for almost 1 to 2 years, which is a journey in which the house is being made. When the architect is traveling for those 2 years, he is more closer to the family. He knows the taste, personal preferences, likes, dislikes, and he has seen more closely the family. Whereas the kitchen company is entering into a project for 1 to 2 months period. They enter into a project and exit out of a project. So if there's a close coordination between an architect and the kitchen company, the ultimate beneficiary would be the end customer. The end customer would be able to get his taste incorporated in the kitchen, as well as the benefits of the knowledge of the kitchen company, because kitchen company is more knowledgeable with regards to the more finishes and stuff which are closer to the kitchen. So it's like an architect is like a general physician because he's doing everything. Office, commercial, residences, whereas a kitchen company is like a specialist into the kitchen business. So if there's a closer coordination between the two of them, the end customer would be a major beneficiary.
Definitely. Happy customers is in the best interest of everyone. Mr. Bajaj, I would request you to please announce the name of the winner in this category.
The winner of Kitchen Design Collaboration Award 2020 goes to architect Shraddha Dhone representing Spacefood and Mr. Shantanu Bajaj representing Suppose Architect Studio.
Congratulations to Architect Shraddha and Shantanu, and thank you so much, Mr. Bajaj, for giving away this award. So we see Shantanu Bajaj is there with us to receive the award. Of course, this is a collaboration and we'll hear from the other architect as well. But thank you, Mr. Bajaj, and Shantanu, to you. How does it feel to receive this collaboration award?
First of all, I would like to thank IKC for honoring us. And secondly, I would like to thank Mr. Kirit Joshi, founder and the director of Spacefood. And let me tell you about Spacefood first of all. Spacefood is one of the pioneer brand in modular furniture manufacturing industry since 25 years, which specializes in innovative designer kitchens, home furniture and offices also. And they have around 300 component leaders and 25 stores all over India. And they wanted to cater the needs of one more store outlet, which was in Delhi. And so we wanted to showcase the Spacefood strength through variety of finishes, materials, and all the designs, which shows different styles with functional aspects as well. And we wanted to show the adaptive kitchens, basically, with right kind of ambience. So can we start our presentation?
Yes, please go ahead, Shraddha.
Yeah. So basically, the concept behind this store was to showcase different styles: classic, modern, industrial, or countryside. And because we wanted to appeal to upcoming masses, which are very compact and which believes in a flex extension plan. And Facebook is well-known brand for creating different kind of shutter designs, beautiful materials, and very, very innovative technology. So we wanted to amalgamate both the things. So basically, these are the 4 kitchen styles which we have incorporated in our store. First one was inspired by the Ligna kitchen, which was inspired by industrial look, and this kitchen was in solid wood veneer in combination with a membrane shutter also. Second one was a glow kitchen, which was inspired by glass. Third one was Varena, which was inspired by bringing up beautiful materials together. And third one was a neoclassical type. So let's go quickly through all the designs. This is a basic concept behind the first kitchen. Here we have done the planning, which was around 130 square feet, which is very much adaptable for the upcoming masses or the nuclear concept of apartments. And here you can see the color palette. The color palette was gray and the tones of gray, very, very matte. This is the basic concept and planning, the double island, and moreover encouraging family to cook and interact. This is how the kitchen came up, a super matte kitchen. We have even incorporated the lighting, the direct and indirect lighting. These are the actual pictures of our store. Second one is glow kitchen, which was inspired by the reflection of glasses. Again, this is also a little bit compact kitchen. So these are these kitchen. This one is for the people who like to have the reflective surfaces. But again, to adopt the reflection, to absorb the reflection, we have put rustic stone and some warmth. We have created some warmth in between with the teak color. So this is the combination of real glass and acrylic glass both. We wanted to show as many finishes and as many materials with right kind of technology to people.
Congratulations to Shantanu and Shraddha for winning the Kitchen Design Collaboration Award.